Hi, good morning. Today we will do scenery drawing. In this scenery drawing, coloring part is different. Different way we will color. Okay? So, for today's drawing, yes, hold your book vertically. Okay? Okay. चलो फिर करेंगे स्टार्ट सीनरी. You have to draw how I am doing lines now. Like that only you have to draw. See, not straight, not neat. I am doing like this only you have to draw. Here I want a mountain. Okay. Here one small boat. किनारे पे है ऐसे बोट ऐसी रखी है. ये बोट का ड्राइंग आपको देख के ही करना पड़ेगा कैसे की. ये ऐसे बांध के रखी है यहाँ पे. ओके. ठीक है. इतना ड्राइंग समझ में आ रहा है क्या मैं एक्सप्लेन करूँ? आई हैव टू एक्सप्लेन. ओके. These are mountains. This is land. This is water. Here also again land. We will color this green. Okay. And now here two coconut trees. Lightly drawing you have to do. Okay. In that coconut tree, that extra lines you have to rub. Like this. Coconut trees leaf we will draw directly. That means we will color directly. Sorry. We will color directly. Leaf. Like this it will come now. Okay. Here stones. Okay. This is grass line. Here also. Okay, this much our drawing, today's drawing finish. On coconut tree you have to draw these type lines. I will show you how you have to color coconut tree. How we color every time full patch? No. In today's drawing we will color like this, lines, 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 lines only. I will show. Don't take tension. Now we will start coloring. Okay. We will start coloring. Now start from sky. हाँ. तो पहले light blue and dark blue. For each part you need 2 shades. If you don't have, you can use only one shade. One time press it and without pressing. Correct? If you don't have 2 shade color, that means if you have only dark blue, then you can first time you can use press and then lightly you can use. Right now? Okay, but I have. So what you have to do? You have to color like this. See, each time I am just doing lines like this. Fully you have to do dark blue line. Then again take light blue and do lines only. Understood? Like this you have to do complete thing. Okay? See, sky, finish. Now for mountain, dark brown and light brown you need. Okay, same thing again, lines only. But here you have to leave that part, tree part, correct. Like this. Finish mountain. Understood now? What only in lines only you have to color. Use 2 shades. If you don't have 2 shades, then one time that color press and one time lightly use. Okay, for this land I want to show green color, so I will use dark green and light green. Simple. Dark green and light green. Simple. See now. Again line only. Just do lines. Light green. Again use dark green. completely you have to do like this. हो गया ग्रास का कंप्लीट कलरिंग. अभी वाटर में क्या करना है मालूम है? यू हैव टू डू full water with only one color, light. Okay, see what you have to do. First time press, and second time lightly do lines. See, dark and light. First time what? Press it and do, and second time lightly do like this. Lines only you have to do. Every time in every part you have to color with lines. Okay, see now difference between sky and water. Understood now why I finish full water with one color? Okay, now for boat same thing again. Do brown lines fully, then dark brown lines. Complete. Okay, okay, see here I use yellow ochre and here gray color. Now here border dark brown, lines only. Okay, now for tree. For tree what you have to do? For these lines just do black color like this. Okay, and then with the pencil lines only, light and dark. See, light again dark, but lines. Okay, and for leaf dark green like this you have to do, and then light green like this, lines only again. Okay, do see how it is nice. हाँ, और एक बात, जैसे बोला है ना वैसे ही कलर करने का ट्राई करो, बिकॉज एवरी टाइम वी विल डू प्लेन कलरिंग. दिस इज डिफरेंट वे. ट्राई, डू. ओके, बाय बाय, थैंक यू.
Hi, good morning everyone. Every time now we are enjoying now because continuous festivals are coming. Just now our Diwali finished. Just now we made lantern. Now again we are decorating our house. Yes, for Christmas. Yes, na you want na to decorate your house. For that decoration I am showing something that you can hang in your house. You can make small thing like that and you can hang in your house. Okay, so can we start? Okay, now you understood why I put this paper here. For that decoration we need these papers. One I took red color and one white color paper. Okay, then Fevicol, and for draw round I took this sellotape circle You can take anything for that. Okay, then let's start our today's activity. Okay, now first keep this white paper aside. Then fold this paper like this and cut it like this. Only you have to fold horizontally and cut this. See, now take one part and then mark the circle. We want inside round, so check it neatly and draw. See, this one. Now you have to fold this. How much you can get now? Properly fold it. See, one, this one, then this one is second. Now again I am folding. See, 3. This is 4th. I think we can get 4 circles from this part. That means this one 4 and second one 4. That means 8 circles from red and 8 circles from white. Now I will cut this. See, 8 circle from red color. Okay. Okay, now I will cut same circle, same size circle from white color paper. Keep this aside. With white also same horizontal. First you have to fold, horizontal fold, and then mark the circle and cut it. See, horizontal fold. Now I will half it and then mark the circles. And then fold it and cut it. See, now I got 8 red and 8 white circle. Okay, now what we have to do with these circles? Take one circle, properly fold it like this. Okay, then one more in triangle form. Properly fold, press it neatly, open it. You got middle line here. Now what you have to do? You have to touch this line to this middle line like this. See, like this you have to do. Properly fold, press it neatly. Again this side also you have to touch to the middle line. Neatly press it. Finish. Now open this again. Now see here, 1, 2 and 3 lines you got, right? Like this folding, you have to fold these all circles. Okay, like this folding you have to fold for these all circles. Okay, I will show you one more time. See, now with white color, circle. Same thing, fold it neatly, properly you have to fold. Then triangular form, for that you have to fold like this. Now you got half line mark, correct? Then you have to touch this line, this side to this half line which we got. Properly, neatly you have to fold. Press it properly. Okay, now open it. See, 1, then 2, and then 3. 3 line we got. Like this you have to fold all circles. See my all shapes. Now what next step? For next step we will stick these circles, but not fully. How I am showing. See, we got 1, 2, 3 lines here, correct? In these lines, which is middle line? This one. This one is middle line. See, then slightly mark it, that line. Here also mark it. Okay. Now just open, not fully, and here in this middle line with the stick we will put Fevicol. Okay. See, you can use toothpick or matchstick, anything. See, in this middle line only, just this much only you have to put Fevicol, and slightly this much only sticking part for this step you have to do. Okay, understood? Again I am showing. See, we got 1, 2, 3 lines here, right? In these 3 lines, this one is middle line, correct? Now just open it and put inside that middle line Fevicol. Okay, like this. ऐसे आपको मिडल लाइन के ऊपर फेविकॉल लगाना है अंदर के साइड से. ओके, यू हैव टू डू फॉर ऑल दिस शेप, दिस स्टेप. Okay, do fast. Okay, I have finished my first step sticking part. Now what I will do, see, now where we have to put Fevicol, that I am showing. With the stick only, fully you have to put Fevicol. Don't use direct that Fevicol tube, because little part we have to stick. See, this point and then this one line and this one, not middle line. This much part only we have to put Fevicol. With the stick only, here middle, now this line and this much. Only this much Fevicol you have to use. Now on the white shape I will stick this red one. Properly you have to stick. You have to see correctly that middle line and this edge are exactly touching each other. Okay, press it neatly. Now see again, this line I am marking. Now leave that middle line and next this line, and here what you have to do? Correct, you have to put little bit Fevicol with the stick like this. Now after red, which part I have to take? Correct, I will take white color and nicely, neatly, slowly stick it. Properly press it. एकदम आराम से करो, कोई जल्दी नहीं है, ठीक है? See, all shape I stick. Like this you have to stick. And after sticking, just press it properly. Like this you have to press. Okay, if you made big circle, then no problem, just press like this. Okay, give 5 minutes to dry up. After sticking this properly, now our next step, for hanging you can use anything, thread like this, woolen, no problem. And you have to stick this here. See how neatly I stick all shape. Properly you have to stick. ऐसे ऊपर नीचे कैसे भी टेढ़े ऐसे नहीं चिपकाना है आपको, ठीक से चिपका. ओके, नाउ यू हैव टू स्टिक दिस थ्रेड हियर फर्स्ट. ओके, put some Fevicol here. With stick only you have to put and stick it and give 5 to 10 minutes for dry up. See, now what? Now you have to open this like this. See how it is opening. Okay, and you have to stick this side and this side here like this. Okay, for that what you will do? Again same thing you have to do. For this line, then this line, and in middle you have to put Fevicol with the stick and stick this. Neatly. Properly you have to press it. See, here I am pressing. Okay. See how it is. Like this you have to do. Okay, wait, I will show you in different way. See, nice. Like this you can make by big circles also. You can cut big circle, big size circle, and big decoration thing also you can do. Okay, how it is nice, na? Okay, then do it neatly, do it properly. Bye bye, thank you.